To work with the VIBRO-LASER system for the first time, you will need the following basic settings: connecting measuring units, choosing the system language, and entering the license key. In the main menu of the VIBRO-LASER application, tap the Settings icon. Be sure the measuring units are powered on and tap the Find Measuring Units icon. After clicking, the image on the icon will change to the hourglass symbol. Wait until the indicators near the icon and on the measuring units indicate blue. You can select the language for working with the system without leaving the menu. The language settings will change only after you restart the program. There is a choice in this menu of optical filter, averaging data on the measuring unit's detectors. Smart mode allows to obtain much more accurate data when measuring in areas of competing light sources. Additionally, you can work with the vibration filter averaging. This filter helps eliminate the impact of vibration sources that may be influencing the accuracy of your readings. Then choose Accuracy of the Detector Data, working in Metric Measurement System or MILS. After completing all the settings, return to the main menu. From the main menu, tap the System Information icon. A window will display in which the following data will be shown: license status, version of the application, and firmware of the measuring units, identification numbers of each of the units. If the license status displays Unlicensed Demo in red, you need to enter the license key. To do this, tap the icon with the key in the lower right corner. In the window that appears, enter the license key, press the OK button on the keyboard, then tap the icon with the check mark. If everything was done correctly, the red inscription License Status Demo will change to green inscription License Status Licensed.